Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could stop by and visit while we are still in quarantine. So, you know, I mean, I'm not gonna complain because a lot of people have life way worse than I do. I'd rather bump along with a bunch of stuff that you probably don't wanna hear. It's like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus time, so let's just jump right into it because that's what you're here for. Get that glow! A new season is finally on the horizon. Excitement in the air like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter. Is that really new? All right. Oop, I don't want to look at too much. But what's the first thing I'm pulling out here? We have a Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette, and this is by Colored Rain. That's pretty cool because I've actually never tried Colored Rain's eyeshadow products, and I've heard really good things about them. So this is called Mimosa Moment. So I'm thinking like yellow, oranges. Uh-oh, I'm seeing Don't Be Broken. Oh, okay. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's a very basic, okay, no offense, kind of boring eyeshadow palette, but ooh, these are really soft. But, you know, I mean, I guess it's really versatile to use in the summertime when maybe I have like a tan. Because right now I don't, obviously. But yeah, I mean, oh no, it's one of those products that when you swatch, it gets so dirty. Oh, does this not? Do they not put the prices on here? Am I just a crazy person? Apparently they don't put the prices on, so there's that. Oh, here's the bag. We have a blue to white to mustard yellow ombre, so that's really cute, but oh, it has a tassel. But these aren't like, I thought the Glam Bag Plus would come with like a bigger bag. These are like Ipsy Bag sized things. Oh, it's got, do people consider these reversible? Is this considered reversible? Probably not. Definitely not. No. Why am I even still doing this? I mean, seems reversible, right? Quarantine. So that is our ombre Ipsy bag. Guys, I hope this isn't the one I have. I don't think it is. But I swatched this product and I hauled it in December when I did my big birthday haul, and I loved the swatch of it. But I feel like the color I got is way too light for me. So I hope, yes, this is definitely darker than the color I have. The formula on these is so velvety smooth. So these are the Sugar Coat liquid lipsticks by Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush is kind of like the sister brand to Tarte. It's kind of like their more, I don't want to say immature, that's stupid because I love a lot of the products that they actually make. Like they make a little lip gloss that I love. It smells delicious. It smells like vanilla. It's amazing. It's more beachy themed, I feel like. It's a little more like Too Facey and beachy themed, but I actually really like the product, so I am actually so excited that we got this. Because the one I bought in Cake Pop, which is the one I already own, is too light for me. So this is in Cupcake, which looks like a nudie color. Oh man, is this too nude? Oh no. It's like your average gray nude right there. I'll swatch it next to the one I already had called Cake Pop, which looks really pretty, and then you put it on someone like me, and for some reason it's just a little too light, just personally for my taste. So I'm so happy we got another one. And they smell so good. I just want to eat them. The next product is from Galactic. It's called the Skin Glow Duo. I like the shiny packaging. Oh, so we have a, looks like a double highlighter duo, which we have like a peachy, is this cream or is this, oh, it's cream. I thought it was a powder. That's the pink, and that's the champagne gold. So that's the shades there. They're a little greasy, but they are just, I feel like, to give a little bit of a tint to skin on the cheeks. So this is in the color Moonlight. I'm looking to get into a little bit more subtle cream highlights. I can definitely tell my skin is changing. I'm turning the big 3-0 in December, so my skin is not the same young, plush, beautiful skin as it used to be, and using really blind highlighters kind of really accentuates a lot of the texture I have going on right now. So maybe this will be a nice little subtle glow for the summer for me. The next product we have says Beauty for Real High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. It's in just black, so I like getting black mascaras. I don't like opening them because I like saving them, but I will show you what this one, it's actually like, oh my gosh. This is this very tiny, spiky, no definition wand. I'm interested to use that. It literally looks like, when I pulled it out, it looks like the lowest effort brush I've probably ever seen, but Beauty for Real, you go off, high def. So maybe this will be amazing. I don't know until I try it. So far, that wand is interesting. The next thing we have is by Mud Masky. Okay. It is the Aftermask Vitamin Serum, pH Balance, Extra Smoothing, Anti-Aging, Feeding, Protecting, Nourishing. So I'm guessing this is like a cream that you're supposed to use after a mask, but you know, who the frick? I mean, I guess we have a lot of time to do that now. It feels very not full though. It feels like a very half full product. It's like a lot of air in there. Let's open it up and see what smells good. Mud Masky is a strange name for a brand. Like, look, when I go to do the first initial squish, like look how much I have to squish it. And it's new. God, first world problems. I mean, it feels very hydrating. It doesn't have any smell. I'm interested to try that to see like if that'll bring like a nice dew to my skin, but it's a serum that I will probably use before I go to sleep, and Lord knows I could use it because all I've got going on is texture and weird stuff. So guys, that was my Ipsy for the month of May 2020. I'm super excited to try out the Tarte lip product because I already know that I'm a fan. Strange mascara, but I'll try it. A little disappointed and greasy in this product. A serum is a serum. You can always use it. And then what other product did I get besides the bag? Oh, and the eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited to try Color Green's eyeshadows. They feel super soft, and this could be super easy to throw in a bag for like a beach trip, if that happens this year. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic evening, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a good one. Bye.